Hey, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and let's do an unboxing. Rightio, boys and girls, you know who it is. It's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and today we are going to be announcing one of our sponsors, Runva. Now, I've had this winch for 6 months I think it is, and I got it just before Anita's passing. It was pushed to the side, and I think it's time to do the unboxing and do the videos. Now, if you can see down here, what's this one? This one's mine, my Fairlead. It's a Team Runva. As you can see, as I said, like sponsored, but we've also got this one. So this has been engraved with Anita. So this was going to be going on the Pajero, because Pajero is Anita's car, which will be soon Chantel's when she gets her L's and P's. So I just thought I'd let you know that. Runva, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Dave, I know, love you, man. Thank you. This means more than anything. So I've just had a few phone calls and I thought, no, you know what, it's better that I start now because I need to put this in the Challenger. Now, what is it? It is the Runva 11xp Red Edition. Now, what does that entail? That entails a few little extra things on top of what is pretty much one of the best winches you can get on the market. And as you can see, it is an unboxing because I haven't even actually taken the strapping off. Oh, one did because one fell off. So, but it has moved. I got this at the rental, so it moved with us when I bought this place. Now, I don't really want to be filming in the dining room. This is our new table, so I had to put towels down. So as you can see, you'll see the towels. Take a deep dive into here and see what you can get with this Runva winch pack. Whoops! Throw my new O-knife on my new Fairlead. So, as I said, never opened it before. Still, oh, okay. As you can see, rightio. So I've got the Fairlead. I've got the added Fairlead. So that's with the Team Runva and everything like that. So with this, you get your stickers and your warning read book before use. I'd say so. It's got that little Runva tag that sits on your hook, but I won't be using a hook. Okay, so this is pretty much the same sort of hook that comes with a carbon, my carbon. So I've just taken my carbon out of the Challenger. The carbon winch is going to be going in the Pajero for the time being, and that'll be later turned into a Runva one. Carbon's an amazing brand. They're very similar, I'd say, in a lot of their features. And I've had next to no problems having the carbon in the car. It's just the opportunity to run a Runva, and I've seen Runva everywhere. And I thought, how about I give this a go and take Runva on board as one of the sponsors of Destination Off-Road. So, yeah. What have you got? Please read these carefully before getting started. I'm a male, so I don't really need to, but I will. Okay, so you got your powered remote. No powered control, the manual control, as they say. Ooh, I like these little boxes. I don't know what this little box is though. I'm sure they give you extra little things. Ooh, stubby holders. Now, oh yes, I love stubby holders. Love them. Yes, go to the stubby holders. Now, your isolator switch. Now, I have one of these isolator switches. I'll just put it there so you can see it. I have this already on the carbon one, so I probably shouldn't have taken that one off, but that'll be right, that's fine. And then all your fitting instructions, your box, your cables, your hooks, your earthing cable, looks like a bracket for the control box, and just all your hardware. Your hardware looks nice and solid, silver. So let's keep going. Lots of foam. I hate foam, but holy crap. Now, the controller looks exactly the same size. I should have scissors, shouldn't I? If not, I got a knife. So, don't cut myself. As everybody knows with knives, if it cuts me, it's not my knife anymore. So, okay, your control box, roughly, oh, it's bigger. It is a lot bigger than, oh no, not a lot bigger, but yeah, so it's control box, you get your power remote, so push and release, oh, push and release for the remote, nice thick cables to run to your winch. Oh God, that's heavy. I'm a weakling, I know. And the one good thing about, oh, a soft shackle and a thimble, which is down here somewhere. So I've already got one. These are cool. I love these. A lot lighter than what you're usually used to. And your little soft shackle. Always have your soft shackles. Besides this one. Now, 22,000 pounds. Braking strain minimum 22,000 pounds. For that, such a little soft shackle, 22,000 pounds. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And we know about the winch rings. Okay, so what else have we got in here? Oh, this is, so the best thing about this thing, I like about it, it comes with a kit. There you go. It comes with your kit to run an extension, so you can bring this in. That's an extension from the winch. Plug it in and you can have it sitting somewhere outside your car if you really want to, but I wouldn't. I'd probably have it somewhere in the engine bay so you can actually get to it easier instead of playing around with the winch itself. But this one is the wiring kit. Oh, it actually is. Yeah, so winch in and out. Okay, so that can be with that too. So that just connects into that and you can run that straight to inside your car. I've already got one of them, so I already have a power isolator and then the in and out control, which is like that, which is identical. So I'll probably just keep that, and that one will go into the Pajero, and then your normal power lead. What else you got in here? Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, that's cool. That's for your winch. That is for your winch. That is cool. So you can cover it. That's if you got it exposed or something like that. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. And, oh, here it is. Here's the other one, the fair lead. So that's probably the, yeah, so it's just got the standard Runva fair lead. Rightio, let's see if I can pick this winch up. Well, I tried, so that's it. That's all we're gonna have to have time for. You won't be able to see it because I'm too much of a pussy and I can't actually pull this out. In the end, wait a minute. Let's just do this then. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was easy. That worked really well. So, you've got your normal control cables up top. You'll have your earthing down the bottom. The actual controls that disengage this clutch are a lot better than one from Carbon. And who else have I had? Kings. The 1,100 pounds of capacity. Now, thinking of that, you're looking around about what, 4,000, around 5,000 kilos. So the motor that is running is a 6.7 horsepower motor. So it's actually quite powerful compared to some of the others. Though one of the key features on this is the clutch system. Now, once you engage a loose cable, you can actually just pretty much just wheel it out one-handed. So a lot of winches, as soon as you release the winch, it will still have that resistance. With this new clutch system, you will be able to pretty much just pull it out nice and easy. Now, being that you can actually put this into free spool and just pull it out, it gives you that ability to quickly assess the situation, get that rope out and connect it up for your safety as well as others, especially when it comes to you're risking your car going over the side of a cliff or something. At least you have that gearing that allows you to get that rope out as fast as possible. Now, going onto that rope, it is a double braided rope. It is thicker, as you can see in the actual video, I'll try and zoom it in, but yeah, it is a lot thicker than a standard synthetic rope. Only reason it is because it's double stitched, so it gives it that tough diameter, which doesn't flatten out like the other synthetics. Now, I've noticed a lot of synthetics, when you're actually tightening it all up, they actually, if you don't roll them on correctly, you'll actually get it to actually lock up. So when you go to pull it, your winch will be coming out free spool, and then it'll go the opposite way. Then you can get tangles and things like that. Having this rope, it cuts down on that so much more, and that's why it is one of the premium winches on the market. The problem with my carbon that I noticed when I was actually pulling it out is after that river crossing 4 times, the actual motor itself full of water. So when I actually disconnected the air breather and light, all the water just came out. So it's quite interesting the amount of water that was supposed to come in. This is actually an IP67, so it is waterproof to a point. Not all winches are waterproof, but yeah, this one is a lot more user-friendly, especially when you're doing those big river crossings that I shouldn't be doing, especially in the Challenger. This is actually looks pretty cool. If you can see it, there you go. So you've got your on-off button, in and out quite easily. Lanyards there, so if you need to, you can have it around your wrist while you're actually getting somebody. Somebody else might be in the car, and you've got this while you're actually spotting them, telling them to do left or right, hands down, and then you can control the winch out of the car or in the car, with the options of having the internal switch that is simple for anybody to install. I would say if you can find a area where you can actually run these through, don't try and run that through. You can just take a photo of the pin structure. If you're not that keen, you don't remember much, just take a photo of the colors and where they go, take these off, tape that up, and then run it through your firewall. Find a spot for it, and then you can have it plugged in. It's, apart from these 4 plugs that are here, it's just one plug. Like, that is ludicrous. Nobody else, I haven't seen another winch or brand do something like that. They offer sometimes like a wiring kit that you have to connect up to the control box, but just having that set up with this, where it actually plugs into your control box, and then you have an external piece that has a nice solid rubber protector for water and mud and dirt. Take it off, you've got the same connection. And yeah, that can run back to the actual box, and you can just connect either your fixed line controller, or you can fit your in-cab controller, or you go remote. You have that option. There's not many options like that on other brands. So when you have something like this, I'd go for it anytime and recommend this anytime, because this is actually I'm not going to say it's a game changer, but it's awesome. So as I said, when I put this in, you'll see that I'm changing it around a little bit. So I won't be running this hook. I just took mine off the carbon as well, so that's going away. The others are going away, and then I'll be throwing the V2 thimble from Runva, and yeah, we'll be using that from now on, and then see how that goes. But I have seen a lot of people actually just removing these metal clips and actually just running the rope itself, and then using the soft shackle as like a protector. You can still use this little bit of steel, because you can use that to feed that through. Apart from that, I'm just excited to actually get it in. I might not sound it, but I'm very tired and heavily medicated. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The unboxing was one of our ways of coming forward, and I'd love to again take a shout out to Dave and a team at Runva for doing this for Anita and for us. This was actually given to me on my birthday. So Anita passed away on the 9th of April, and then the 23rd of April this turned up, and I was in tears, to say the least. Yeah, this means a lot, guys. Thank you. Until next time, or actually until I install this. Take it easy, guys, and make your own destination. Cheers.
Don't place me on pedestals. I'm not your confessional. I'm way too intentional. Yeah, I'm professional, but this is incredible. Elijah, move